Dear Mama and Papa, since I'm graduating, I'd like to thank you for the support and help throughout my elementary years. Thank you for being there for me. I promise that I will do my best next school year. Thanks for everything.
Dear Mama and Papa, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for helping me to graduate from elementary. Love you.
Mommy and Daddy, thank you for taking good care of me. I love you.
Hi, Mom and Dad. Thank you for letting me study in this great school, and thank you for your love and care. I love you.
Dear Mom and Dad, thank you for all the support that you've given me. I promise to do my homeworks and sleepers in high school. Thank you for serving as my inspiration in my studies. I love you.
Dear Mom and Dad, thank you for everything. I promise to be good, and I promise to study harder next year. I love you both.
The sleepless nights studying and helping me with my homeworks and projects are over. Thank you for being with me through all my elementary days. I love you, Mom and Dad.